Great friends, this was Marshall coming at you with another problem of the day. This is the problem of the day for April 3rd, 2020, Friday. Woo, we made it through the week. All right, so make sure, like yesterday, you get out a sheet of paper, make it look like mine with your problem-solving board, and you write the question in the spot. You know where it's supposed to go. This one's only 3 sentences, not painful. All right. I'll wait. You can pause. I'll wait a couple of seconds, but I need your board to look like mine. So get a sheet of paper and a pencil, make it look like mine. You're doing it right. You better be. I don't want to have to come see this. All right. Cool. So we're back. So let's read the problem all together. Ready? All right, let's read it. Jennifer made 28 cookies. She ate 3 cookies and then split the rest evenly between her 5 friends. How many cookies did each friend receive? Cool. So, what do I know to start off with? Well, I know to start off with, how many cookies did I have at the beginning? I started with 28 cookies, right? Started 28 cookies. So, what happened next in my story? So, it says she ate 3 cookies. So, if she ate 3 cookies, what does that mean that I'm going to be doing? Am I going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing? I'm going to be subtracting, right? Subtraction. All right, so I made 28 cookies, I ate 3. So I'm subtracting 3 of those cookies. Then, I split the rest of those cookies between her 5 friends. So I got to figure out how many did each friend receive. So what does that sound like I'm doing? If I'm splitting something evenly, am I adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing? Well, if I'm splitting something up, my number's getting smaller, right? So would it make sense to add or multiply? No. If I'm splitting evenly, splitting them into groups, what makes the most sense? I guarantee some of you are yelling at it to me right now. But it's division. Good. So we're going to then split with 5 friends, which means that we're going to be doing division. So is this a 1 or a 2-step problem? It's a 2-stepper. You know my favorites. So my first step, I got to figure out how many cookies and she's going to split between those 5 friends. So let's see. Let's go get my pen out. Let's do our first step. So my first step was I started with 28 and I ate 3. So it makes sense for me to subtract the 3 from the 28, right? So what is 28 minus 3? If I make a strip diagram, I forgot to do that in yesterday's video. Make a strip diagram. What's going to go up top? What's going to go in the box? Well, I have my total, right? My total is 28. And I know I've had 3 of them. And I don't quite know what's going on in that other one. So do that real quick mental math that I know you can do so well. What is 28 minus 3? Yell it out. I don't care if your parent looks at you weird. Good, it's 25. Good. So is 25 my final answer? Good, it's not. Because then there's that other step where I have to split those cookies evenly between the 5 friends. So I have my second step. So now I have just how many cookies? 25. I have to split that between 5 friends, right? So if I make myself a strip diagram, let's see if we can picture this. How many total cookies do I have? 25. So 25 is my total, so it goes up top. And how many friends do I have? I have 5 friends. So how many boxes do you think I'm going to make? Waiting for you to yell it out because you know I can hear you. 5, right? All right, so I'm going to make 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. However, I don't know what's going in each box yet, do I? Well, you said we're going to divide, right? So this looks like it's 25, and I'm dividing it between how many people? 5. So I have to find the quotient of 25 divided by 5. Well, I could, draw 5 groups and count up to 25 and see how many's in each group. I could do repeated subtraction till I get to 0, or I could know my multiplication facts. Make life so much easier when you know them. What times 5 equals 25? So 5 times what equals 25? Gosh, I know some of you are yelling at me. All right, I can hear it. I can sense it. So what do you think my missing number is going to be? Some of you have done your equal groups. You've done your repeated subtraction. Hopefully you finished by now. What have we gotten as my quotient? Yell it out. 5. Whoop. Because 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Because 5 times 5 equals 25. So how many cookies did each friend receive? 5, right? So let's put that in my sentence. As I scooch on over. Each friend received 5 cookies. There you go. That's simple. Beautiful sentence. So we had to do subtraction and then division. 2 of our most favorite things, I know. All right, so have your board look like mine. We did our strip diagrams. We did our mental math. We showed our work. We wrote my sentence. Great work. All right, I will see you guys later on Monday for another problem of the day. All right, until then, be good. Have a good weekend. I miss you guys. See you then. Bye.